Thanks for watching Wise Monkey. Please share and subscribe. We'll show you how to quickly change the keyboards for laptop. This is the Toshiba Satellite, older laptop, newer, same thing. Sometimes this case comes off and it's possible to actually buy this key and replace them, but sometimes the little key holders underneath are broken. So if that's the case, then the whole keyboard has to be changed. Now, during the replace or before buying the keyboard, I'll try to give few links, by the way, in the description of this video for keyboards. Browse and see which one fits your model, and it's very important to make sure that the model is right. The model number can be found right behind the laptop at the back of it. Now this is a keyboard with a numeric keypad on the side. Some of them has only the alphanumeric right here, not this extension, so that's important to match it. To open the keyboard, usually there are some screws from the back of the laptop and also a strip like this. Like this is a strip that's actually held from the back of the laptop. So if I flip it over, so there's the model number is found in one of the stickers like this. Now, first of all, before replacing, it's better to shut down the laptop, take this battery out, and usually behind the batteries you'll see some screws right there. Well, sometimes some screws are kept hidden behind these rubber pads. You have to pry it off. It's very helpful to have a screwdriver set. That's Phillips, flathead, Torx, all this kind of set. I'll try to give some link in the description as well. This is very handy in work like this. Now, so take those screws off. Not all the screws needs to be taken out for the keyboard, but here I will take few of these. Sometimes you don't know which one to take out. It's okay to take out many of them, but some screws are shorter, some are longer. You have to know which one goes where. It's very important to remember that. So took a couple of screws out from here. There is nothing else holding from the memory card slot or the network card slot. So flip it over, open it. Now this little strip gonna come off. Sometimes have to pry it off a little bit. So that strip comes out. There's tiny clips at the end of it, right here and here. Be very careful not to break them. It actually slides kinda out inward, both end. Curves come out. Screws here. There's screws. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 screws has to come, and the keyboard will come out. Took all 4 screws out. Now, right from the top, this thing comes out. Now it's not going to come out fully because there is a right at the underneath it. There is the ribbon basically, or the connector. So to be able to open this, disconnect it without damaging it, of course. The connectors has a tiny tab on each side that has to be pulled out or pulled up. So I pulled one up, pull this one up, then it comes out. This is the tab. Pull this black tab up both sides, and when you put it back in, it has to be up. Slide the ribbon in and then press it down. Once it's out, get the new one, the new keyboard, put the new one back in. It's the reverse of installation. Before you screw it in, again, make sure the tabs are up, and then slide it in. Press that little black tab down. It's kind of difficult to do it, as I explain. I'll try to show. Know one thing, that the tip of this ribbon gonna go inside that clamp all the way. It's not gonna be halfway, almost all the way it's gonna go in. Remember that. And then press it down. Then you can screw it back from the top and bottom both. Hope this helps. Please share and subscribe. And I'll try to upload a few more videos on older laptop fix. Thank you.